today, a maintenance day for us. We just cut out pieces of floor here. It was wet just around this little area here, but I can see that they probably need to get a little bit more stripping here done. We're going to put a door sweep underneath that door. And I think what's happening, water's getting in at this corner. When it beats down real hard with rain, it just kind of congregates in this corner here. And the beams and everything are good. So we're putting some additional support, and then we're going to lay down the subfloor. And we should be done here. This happens always around doors, windows. So we're just going to go ahead and fix this today. So this is about an hour's job. What takes so long is actually putting the support blocks up. So when you step over here, you're not going to fall in after we put down the plywood. And that's the pieces right there that were a little wet and rotted. So we're going to go ahead and secure this, and we'll be done. This is a Sunday afternoon. We were down at one of our other rentals yesterday. We're doing some flooring in there, and seems like this weekend was a floor day. But we'll take that quarter round off, clean it up, and recaulk it once we put some more tiles back, which are over there. And then we will be done for the day. Okay. Alright, so sometimes you get a tight fit. You gotta bang it with a piece of wood so you don't split the wood.
Beat it like a rented mule.
Yeah, so you don't have really that much of a seam there. Gonna go down further?
Yeah, it should level up when I put screws here.
Okay.
You see, I got screws here. I've already got a 2x10 underneath here on this side screwed in. If I do it in here, it should pull up.
Alright.
Let's watch and see what happens. See that?
Okay.
Pulled up. So I'll do another one here. See?
Yeah, that's where you have your support.
Yeah. You see how you got threads on the screw? See how when you get close to the head, it's smooth?
Right.
The reason they do that is because once you drive it in, once you get it in far enough, especially with the thickness of this plywood, it'll stop gripping the top plywood, and all the grip will be on to the piece of wood underneath, so it'll actually pull the two pieces together.
Oh, alright. See, I learn something new every day.
So we're going to have to smooth this one out though, because this isn't the best piece of plywood. See how it's kind of...
Yeah, this one's been in and out of the weather a lot.
Yep, it has. Alright, now it's just putting the screws in.
That's why I don't like wood out in the weather a lot. Even though it's treated. Is this one treated? I mean, it doesn't have to be because it's inside the house, but... Yeah. And every mobile home's thickness is different because this is that particle board. And so we usually get a 3/4 thickness. Once Steve is nailing these down, this plywood down, then I'm going to come in and I'm going to shave a little bit here so the tiles worry about it being raised. You should get some Luan and put it on there anytime you want to lay down any type of floor linoleum.
Yeah.
So you got a nice smooth fit, and then put the port around up there, clean it up by putting some caulking. We're going to do is we are going to put a door sweep outside of this door to keep additional waters from coming in, especially on that corner there. Then we should be done. Feel pretty firm?
Not better than before.
Yeah.
Added some support all over the place on this thing.
Yeah. I saw.
Yeah.
Alright, and then we will show you what it looks like when it's all done.